Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're diving deep into an important yet often overlooked aspect of the workplace, mental health support for maintenance workers. Throughout this video, we'll spotlight 7 industry leaders who are setting the bar high for world-class mental health initiatives. You'll learn about the exceptional programs they've implemented, the positive impacts on their employees' well-being, and the significant business benefits that come with prioritizing mental health. So stick around to get inspired and learn how to make a difference in your workplace, just like these companies are doing. Let's dive into the topic of mental health support in the workplace, specifically for maintenance workers. We'll be looking at 7 companies that have set the bar high when it comes to providing world-class mental health support. These companies are Johnson & Johnson, Unilever, Union Pacific, RK, Barry-Wehmiller Companies, American Airlines, and New Brunswick Power. Each of these organizations has developed exceptional programs that prioritize their employees' well-being, and they've seen significant business benefits from their efforts. Mental health disorders are on the rise, affecting more than 18% of adults in the United States alone, according to the Centers for Disease Control. The World Health Organization reports that depression is the leading cause of disability worldwide. Untreated mental health illnesses reportedly cost U.S. companies about $500 billion in lost productivity. However, when companies prioritize the mental health of their workers, they can succeed and thrive in the workplace. Let's take a closer look at how these 7 companies are making a difference. First up, we have Johnson & Johnson. They've implemented a Healthy Mind program as part of their comprehensive employee wellness initiative. This includes educating employees and their families about the importance of mental well-being, conducting regular mental health reviews, and workplace risk analysis. They also provide training for both managers and employees on stress management, resiliency, and work-life balance. They've even launched the One Mind initiative to expand access to mental health care and transform workplace mental health. Next, we have Unilever. They've developed an employee wellness program called Lamplighter that focuses on both physical and mental health. They tailor this program to the local level, working with occupational health, human resources, and supply chain teams. They've seen operational healthcare costs drop to their lowest level in 3 years after implementing workplace mental health programs. Union Pacific focuses on suicide prevention, sponsoring a company-wide awareness campaign each year on World Suicide Prevention Day. They've trained around 200 suicide prevention volunteers who distribute educational materials to about 10,000 Union Pacific employees. They also offer a drug and alcohol prevention program and education about suicide warning signs. RK, a mechanical contracting, manufacturing, and service company based in Denver, Colorado, also focuses on suicide prevention. They've worked with national foundations to develop a resource that encourages workers to openly discuss mental illness and personal concerns in the workplace. Barry-Wehmiller Companies, a capital equipment and consulting services company, has taken corporate mental health services to the next level. They not only offer comprehensive physical and mental health services, but also work proactively to inspire and encourage their employees to improve their overall health and well-being. American Airlines has implemented a comprehensive mental health program, monitoring each case on a monthly basis to ensure a strong program. They've streamlined clinician reporting for stronger, measurable outcomes for employee mental health, leading to increased work engagement. Lastly, New Brunswick Power, the largest electric utility in Atlantic Canada, has implemented a We Don't Need Another Hard Hat campaign and a total health program that addresses physical and mental health and work-life balance. In conclusion, to remain competitive and offer comprehensive benefits, maintenance companies need to prioritize mental health for their employees. When employees have their basic needs met, including mental health, they can drive more value to their organizations. Reducing the stigma around mental health is the first step. If companies provide healthcare resources and encourage conversation around mental health, then employees can access the tools they need for well-being. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of mental health initiatives in the workplace and highlighted 7 companies leading the way. Remember, prioritizing mental health can lead to significant business benefits. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com.